Now that you know a little about Trailhead, it's time to navigate all the awesome content you'll find here. To make it easy, content is broken up into trails or guided learning paths. Each trail contains modules where you dive into specific topics, hands-on projects with step-by-step instructions, or a mix of both. As you learn in-demand skills, you'll also be earning resume-worthy credentials. Those include badges you earn for mastering specific skills. You can earn super badges for solving complex, real-world business problems, and even globally recognized Salesforce certifications. If you're looking for something specific, Enhanced Search can help you find what you're looking for and sort and filter to narrow down your results. See something you're interested in? Just tag it as a favorite and you can come back to it any time. And once you've found everything you want to learn, you can queue it up in a trail mix. That's what we call a custom learning path that you can curate yourself and share with others. And of course, you'll want current and future employers to know about your newfound skills and credentials. That's where your Trailhead profile comes in. It's your reinvented resume. Getting a better idea of what this Trailhead thing is about? I hope so. But don't worry, in the next unit, I'll explain how to find answers to any questions that pop up along the trail.